Oh no, I need petrol. Oh no. What's up, guys? Today is gonna be a sick day. Probably gonna do it over 2 days because it's gonna get dark soon. So we're gonna be wrapping my interior and make it look spicy. So we're gonna do this. It's all plastic. This black piece, that. You got those two on this side, and then that as well. I'm gonna do this. So this, it kind of cuts off right underneath the radio, and the steering wheel. And then I'm not gonna wrap that piece because it's gonna be too hard. But I have a sticker coming from Amazon. It's like $20 just for the sticker, but it'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Then grab some tools. I need a heat gun to wrap it around. It's supposed to be a lot easier. And also need to fill up. Oh, she's cold. Sick. So this is the weird Torx thing that we need. It's like almost like a hex bolt with a hole in it, which is supposed to be inside these little caps. So that's for these, because you need to take the whole thing out, which is fucking annoying. Get a heat gun, and some plastic stuff so I don't destroy the trim with screwdrivers. Sick, let's do it. I can't wait. This is gonna be fucking sick. Sex spec. You gotta be fucking kidding me. While I was driving, there's a fucking cockroach that went right in that fucking hole. Fucking hate this shit. Oh, fuck. Ugh, fucking stinks. Oh, you! Ah! Oh, fuck. I'll just do the whole thing over the 2 days, and then I'll just whip it up in the video. Kind of scary pulling trim out, isn't it? Sick. That's going to be really easy to wrap. I'm such a fucking idiot, bro. I could not find this 10mm. It was literally just lost in here. That literally took me like 20 minutes to find this. So here's the wrap. I just got a massive roll. It's from Vivid. Yeah, it's pretty glossy, so let's do it. Got me beer as well. Okay, here's the first piece done. Hopefully I can like hide those leverage pieces. My god, this was so hard to do. Literally, it was like a whole hour and a half with my grandma. This was so fucking hard because it curves. I don't know if you can see this, but because it curves right there and it needs to go around, holy shit. So we ended just cutting it, so splitting it, and then putting a piece underneath it. And it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna chuck this on, let's see how it looks. Damn. There it is. It's looking fucking sick. All the hours just for this one piece. Definitely worth it. Looks so much better. I think I'll probably keep this plastic, but damn, it's gonna look sick. Alright, time for the next one. Oh, we got a package. Whoa. Hot damn. Actually being. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, got the adapters. That's so it can fit on. Got the shifter. So we got it's a silver version, but the box is black. And some stickers, I believe. Join the club. Damn, so this is likewise an Aussie brand. This is fucking heavy. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. This is sick. The likewise logo there. This is sick. Holy fuck. It's supposed to weigh 600 grams. It feels heavy as fuck, holy moly. At least compared to my other one. Real heavy. I could do like bicep curls, man, with this. Holy fuck. I like these. It's like little rivet things. This is gonna feel sick. Real race mode. Oh my gosh. I'm actually in love. And this thing feels so fucking nice. God damn. This is so fucking sick. I'll take this out and then I'll do these and that side and then move on to this. Joe. All done on this side. This looks fresh. Way cleaner. I can't wait to show you like a full cinematic of this. This looks fucking sick. Alright guys, it's all finished. It looks sick. I cannot wait to show you it. But first, cinematics in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's all finished. Took freaking forever. But here we go, here's the close-up. This is definitely my favorite. I'll try to get the light away a little bit softer light. That looks so much more clean with the black instead of the silver. Much more clean. And these, I love these so much. The vents, that's definitely a favorite too. Sick. Alright guys, that's finished, all done. That actually took me about 3 days. It's not that it was hard, it's just really long. Like the wrapping is really slow, and also it's the first time I've taken the interior trim off, so that went pretty slow too. It's definitely not perfect. There's like heaps of small little bits and blemishes around, but overall it looks way better. I think it looks sick, especially the glossy. It feels just like a straight plastic trim, but the glossiness looks sick. Way cleaner. I can't wait to finish it in the future, but this is looking so nice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.